If you want to strengthen your body and keep it healthy as you age, then it's time to incorporate these 6 key exercises into your routine. Watch the video until the end to discover the benefits of each exercise and learn how to perform them correctly to avoid injuries. You'll also get to participate in a quiz to test your knowledge of the content shared throughout the video. Ready? Let's get started. Exercise number 1, squats. This simple yet incredibly effective movement is essential for strengthening your legs and core, helping you feel stronger and more secure. Let's start with the basics, beginning with a chair-assisted squat and then working our way up to a freestanding squat. To do a chair-assisted squat, choose a sturdy chair. Stand in front of it with your feet shoulder-width apart and toes slightly pointing outward. Place your hands on the chair back if you need support. Slowly bend your knees and push your hips back, like you're about to sit. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. Lower yourself until your glutes lightly touch the chair. Press your heels into the floor and rise back up in a safe, controlled way. This one targets your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and yes, your core too. Why does this matter? Think about standing up from a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs easily, or getting off the couch pain-free. This is what squats prepare you for. How about the freestanding squat? Same setup, but this time with arms extended forward for balance. Lower yourself into an invisible chair, thighs parallel to the ground if you can. Then push through your heels to return. This progression kicks in more stabilizer muscles, improving balance and coordination. Super important as we age. Just a reminder, inhale through your nose as you squat. Exhale through your mouth as you rise. Start slow. Use that chair if needed, and with time, you'll see the difference in your mobility, strength, and confidence. Exercise 2, push-ups. One of the most complete upper body exercises out there. It works multiple muscles, boosts posture, endurance, and your ability to handle daily activities. Let's start with a wall push-up. Stand facing a wall, arms length away. Place palms at shoulder height and width. Keep your body aligned. Bend your elbows, inhale as your chest moves toward the wall. Push back, exhale as you return. This strengthens your chest, triceps, shoulders, and even your core. Now, for the floor push-up. Get into a plank. Hands aligned with shoulders, body in a straight line. Lower yourself slowly as you inhale. Push back up as you exhale. This version is more intense, but oh so rewarding for your strength and posture. And if you're not quite there yet, try starting with knee push-ups. Wherever you start, just start. That's what matters. Exercise 3, plank. Let's build on those push-ups with the mighty plank. Start face down on a mat. Support yourself on your forearms, elbows under shoulders. Balls of your feet grounded. Keep your body in a straight line. No drooping, no hiking those hips. Hold for as long as you can, maybe 15 to 30 seconds to start, and breathe steadily. Planks target your core, abs, lower back, glutes, shoulders, all in one go. And why is that important? Well, everything from picking something up off the floor to turning your body on a dime depends on core strength. Plus, planks help prevent back pain and reduce fall risk. Exercise 4, calf raises. Now here's one people tend to skip, but shouldn't. Calf raises are crucial for mobility, balance, and even circulation. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a chair or next to a wall. Feet hip-width apart. Lightly rest your hands for balance. Slowly lift your heels, rising onto the balls of your feet. Hold for a second, then lower back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times, or whatever you can manage comfortably. Strong calves keep you stable, prevent trips, and even help with blood flow. This simple move can reduce swelling and help with varicose veins. Exercise 5, thigh adductor strengthening. This one's great for leg stability and knee protection. Sit on the edge of a chair. Feet flat, hip width apart. Place a cushion between your knees. Squeeze the cushion tightly for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax and repeat 10 to 15 times. This works your inner thighs, your adductors, which are essential for walking, climbing stairs, even getting out of bed safely. Plus, it protects your knees and hips. Think of this one as quiet insurance for your joints. Exercise 6. Cat and cow stretch. From yoga, this is a gentle, powerful way to maintain flexibility and ease back tension. Start in tabletop. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale. Lift your head and tailbone. Let your belly drop. Cow pose. Exhale. Round your back, tuck your head and pelvis. Cat pose. Repeat slowly, following your breath. This movement increases spinal flexibility, improves posture, boosts circulation around the spine, and even helps calm the mind. Now that you've learned about the essential exercises for strengthening your body as you age, it's time to test your knowledge with a quick quiz. There will be 5 simple questions, and you'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. Let's see how much you remember. Great job completing the quiz. Whether you got them all right or not, the most important thing is that you're learning how to take care of your body. Keep practicing these exercises regularly, and you'll notice improvements in your strength, balance, and overall health. And of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.